So once we get this fully installed, there are 3 cues to basically make sure that this is working good. That we have a flush line on our floor. So that's all nice up, and our bolts are all nice and tight. We want to make sure that this bracket here is installed flush as well, and it's straight so that our bars stay straight with themselves. We don't want to put too much tension, so I have no loose, because then it's going to make sure that the arm doesn't come down. So we want to make sure that we have some loosage play, and that it falls back down. This is going to be shipped out tightened. This is our guide. We want to loosen it up so you can freely move it. And the way to adjust it is actually to remove a little bit of pressure from the flap, make it slide down center of the wheel, and then put it back so it's on the ground. We want to make sure that it makes a good tension contact so that it doesn't speed up and then hit. Also, once we tighten it, we want to make sure that we tighten it flush with the tower. So once I'm pressurized, I'm about center of my wheel. I go up and I make sure I follow that same width up top to bottom. So notice how right as it goes up, it's already tension on it. We do not want the elevator to speed up and this to jerk up like that. We really want it to move up as smooth as with the elevator.